Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the Risperdal cases. And the reason we're doing this video today is to provide some background information to people who are concerned about the statute of limitations. Now, the statute of limitations is the time period in which, by which you have to file a lawsuit. And typically it is determined by the date that you reasonably have suspected you've been injured by a product. Unfortunately, the statute of limitations, figuring out when it starts to run, is not a black and white issue many times. In most states, it's 2 years from the date that you find out you've been injured by a product. In some states, it's 1 year. What I have been telling people is that it's very important to get in touch with an attorney immediately so they could figure out what statute of limitations applies to the case and when it starts to run. Because you don't want to wait and take too long to file a case, because if you do, it might be dismissed. The other issue that sort of comes into play with Risperdal is that many people were injured by the product when they were minors, when they were teenagers. And almost every state in the country has a rule that the statute of limitations does not start to run until somebody reaches the age of 18. So if you found out that you had gynecomastia that was the result of the ingestion of Risperdal when you were 16 or 17 years old, your statute of limitations is not going to start to run until you turn 18. The other thing is that for most people, most of the calls that we've been getting, people had no idea there was any link to Risperdal and gynecomastia until they saw something on television or researched it on the internet. And so I think in most of those cases, the safe assumption is that the statute of limitations will not start to run until you found out about the link. Many of our clients didn't even know they were taking Risperdal when they were teenagers. So it is an issue. The statute of limitations is not a black and white issue. I can't give you a firm date by which you have to file a lawsuit, but what I can tell you is that you need to call a lawyer. You need to get somebody on board to analyze the facts of your case and make sure that you're fully protected. At Kershaw Talley, this is what we do. So if you have gynecomastia, or you think you might have gynecomastia, and you were taking Risperdal when you were younger, please give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen, or you can fill out an online form through our website.